Hey there, I'm Kyle, and this is Sir, my Baja street dog, turned full-time adventure buddy. After separating from the Army in early 2023, I hit the road full-time in my 2023 Subaru Outback Wilderness, towing my 2022 Taxa Outdoors Cricket, chasing epic views, unforgettable experiences, and the freedom of nomadic life. Now, welcome to Season 3 of That Guy Outdoors. From rugged trails to hidden gems, from campfires to unexpected detours, this is real, raw, and unscripted adventure. If you're all about life on the road, exploring the wild, and seeing where the next turn takes us, you're in the right place. Let's dive into this week's episode.
After the Moabsolutely Wild gathering wrapped up, I wasn't quite ready to leave the desert behind. I set up camp just south of town off Yellow Circle Road, a quiet little stretch tucked into the Red Rock Mesas, overlooking the valley below. The next morning, I linked up with a fellow nomad friend and decided to take the Subie out for a little dirt therapy. We hit the Gemini Bridges Road, one of Moab's most iconic off-road trails. It's only about 9 or 10 miles, but don't let that fool you. Between the switchbacks, slick rock climbs, and sand washes, this trail will humble any rig. The Subaru handled it like a champ, crawling, climbing, and proving once again that you don't need a big lifted truck to find big adventure. The deeper we went, the more the landscape opened up. Arches, cliffs, and layers of color that photos would never do justice. By the time we made it to Gemini Bridges, storm clouds were rolling in fast, so we didn't linger long. Sometimes it's not about how long you stay at the destination. It's the miles of grit, dust, and adrenaline that get you there. Well, good morning, everybody. So, Sir and I are on our way for a little bit of a big adventure. First, we're going to go grab a shower. Well, Sir's not going on a big adventure, but I am. Little surprise coming up this afternoon. We're jumping out of a perfectly good airplane, going skydiving over Moab with some friends. So we're gonna go get a shower, we're gonna get ready, and we've got about an hour to get there. So we'll catch you guys in a little bit. Cheers.
Hi Kyle, what are we doing today?
We're skydiving.
Hell yeah! What brought you here?
Being a nomad with a bunch of crazy nomads that decided it's a Wednesday, so we're gonna go skydiving.
Let's go throw you out of an airplane.
Hell yeah, man.
A little chilly up here, man. Give me a pump for a second, man. It's gonna be real nice.
Got it. Let's do it, baby.
fucking great. Love it. Hell yeah. All right.
My nomadic friend. What do you think of skydiving? Dude, thanks for coming to us for your adventures. Enjoy your travels around the country, my man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, thanks for joining us, guys. We'll see you again next time, all right?
Got it.
After a day like that, there's only one way to come back down. Good friends, a cold pint, and stories that'll last longer than the dust on the rig. Every jump, every trail, every mile. It's all part of this wild ride we call life on the road. If you're digging the adventure, hit like, drop a comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. And if you're out there chasing sunsets, campfires, or just a little freedom, maybe we'll cross paths somewhere down the road. Until next time, keep exploring, stay wild, and stay weird.